The Gomati, a river specially sacred to the indigenous residents of Tripura, runs through a valley of steep hills shrouded in dense greenery. Carved on these rocks are the images of several Hindu deities. Located 7.5 kilometers from Amarpur and 82 kilometers from the capital city of Agartala, Chabimura is an astoundingly haunting open-air museum of natural beauty and ancient religion. The state of Tripura is a hilly region enshrining ancient mystery, syncretic culture, and natural brilliance. Durga, the Hindu goddess of war, stands tall in her full martial glory on one of the steepest rocks in the region. Locals worship the goddess, while visitors pay obeisance in their own respective manners. Sculptures of Shiva, Vishnu, Kartika, as well as other sky gods embellish the various hillocks in the region.
আপনারা সকলেই জানেন ইতিমধ্যে অমরপুরের ছবিমুড়া পর্যটকদের জন্য আকর্ষণীয় কেন্দ্রবিন্দু হয়ে উঠেছে এবং প্রাকৃতিক সৌন্দর্যে ভরপুর মনোরম দৃশ্য দেখার জন্য দূর দূরান্ত থেকে এখানে মানুষকে আসার জন্য আমি অমরপুরের বিধায়ক হিসাবে সাদর আমন্ত্রণ করছি এবং ত্রিপুরা রাজ্য সরকার এবং কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের ব্যবস্থাপনায় এই ছবিমুড়াকে আরও বেশি আকর্ষণীয় করে তোলার জন্য 58 কোটি টাকার প্রজেক্ট এখানে দেওয়া হয়েছে। এখানে 2-3টি স্পট রয়েছে যেগুলো সারাদিন এখানে বিনোদন করার জন্য ব্যবস্থাপনা রয়েছে এবং রাত্র যাপন করার জন্য এখানে লকহাটের ব্যবস্থা করা হয়েছে। তাই আপনারা সকলে এখানে পরিবার পরিজনকে নিয়ে এখানে এসে আনন্দ উপভোগ করবেন।
The hills, known as Devtamura, are 90 degrees upright, raising wonder about the possibility of such impossible reliefs. The walls of these hills barricading Gumti have several caves and caverns. Herbs, fungi, and fish unique to the region are spread sparsely through these pathways. A brilliant ecosystem of indigenous flora and fauna brilliantly incorporates the locals of the region into the fold. Men and women forage for produce with local blades called takal. The lives of the locals depends immensely on the river. In their own ways, they have befriended, defied, and domesticated the river Gomati. On the way to the dam at Maharani, discrete spots can be noted where the dead are cremated, gods are worshipped, elephants stroll, and fishermen are engaged in prep work. Besides usual day-to-day activities like bathing, washing clothes, and praying, the locals also cure bamboo in the waters of Gumti.
Chabimura holds the rock-cut images of deity Mahisasurmardini, also known as Chakrakma, eclipsed by foliage on the banks of mighty river Gumti, lifeline of Amarpur. The short treks like recently ranged over Tuisamatai in the valley of Devtamura along the natural river streams provide a perfect oasis for tenderfeet and retrophiliac.
The intrinsic concussion of simple local life with nature, especially the holy river, is reflected in the fresh, pollution-free environment of Chabimura Devtamura stretch. Religion happens to be an inherent part of river-adjacent cultures. Rivers considered to be feminine providers are worshipped as mother goddesses by local tribes, who submit their offerings to them before beginning their workday. The syncretic nature of Tripura's culture amalgamates brilliantly in the expanse of Chabimura Devtamura. Amarpur RD blog presents Chabimura in a never-seen-before avatar. The picturesque nooks of Chabimura, the natural cacophonies within its silence and chilly nights and golden noons sing a ballad of its unexplored beauty. Ancient wisdom sculpted into the walls of Devtamura, effigies of gods, goddesses, legends and lores reckons the curious mind to explore Tripura's early history shrouded in hearsay and mystery.
A very good afternoon. Chabimura is one of the best tourist destinations, I would say, in the whole country. So, dubbed as the Amazon of Northeast India, this is one of the places where the sculptures or the carvings or the mountain sites are dating back to more than 500, 600 years ago. So, it's one of the best places you can have a visit, and there are some very nice trekking path. Boating can also be done there.
The depth of the water holds secrets never revealed. The peak of the hills hides stories never heard. The silence of the river sings songs composed in the sky. All this is out there, waiting to be experienced. Chabimura awaits the rightful heir to the legends. Is the wanderer in you ready to step up to the challenge?